Okay, so I know I made a very short video of Sergio Ramos. However, the reason why I'm making this video about Sergio Ramos is I got some comments, feedback from majority of you guys watching, United fans, and a vast majority, don't want us to sign him because he's old, number one. And the Premier League is obviously a different beast compared to any other league. But remember, guys, I know Casemiro is younger. Did we not say that Casemiro coming to Man United, oh shit, we are going to be good. Our midfield is sorted. Maybe not for long term, but it's sorted. Many of us said that. Casemiro turned out not to perform that well in the first, I think, season, and the second season he was even worse, right? Cool. This season, under Ruben Amorim, I think that Casemiro has become a very important player for us. And what I've noticed, and I'm pretty sure you can relate to what I'm saying, that Casemiro, without him on the field, in the double pivot, we lose games. We concede more goals without him on the pitch. And statistically, that has been the case. The minute he leaves the field, we concede goals. Our midfield collapses. Our defense becomes weaker. But with him on the field, it's a different case scenario. And I think it's because he brings experience, he brings leadership into that particular role he has to play. Now, it got me thinking, what if Sergio Ramos brings that leadership and responsibility to the defense? What if his presence alone makes everyone in defense play better? And I think as a veteran defender, one of the best defenders in the past 10 years, I think I can say, Sergio Ramos has been top-notch. And he would be a brilliant mentor to younger defenders and players at the club. So what do you think? He's a free agent. Bring him to Man United. Let me know your thoughts, guys. And please repost this video.